a slightly larger cigar box with my dad, we decided that it would do. In the end, it worked out perfectly, as the breadboard was just able to fit inside. To start with the construction, I removed the slide-out cover for the box and I cut it into 2 pieces. There was a wood cigar humidifier inside that I cut out as well. Afterwards, I acquired 2 hinges and screws and attached the 2 pieces of the cover back onto the top, upside down. In some cases, the screws had to be cut so that the box still looked good without the dangers of the screws poking through. Connor's brother Dylan cut out an arm for us, which we attached to the servo motor. When I completed this, I took a piece of wood of about medium thickness and cut off 2 pieces. One to attach to the side and one to attach to the bottom. The side piece was used to attach the servo motor with the arm, and the bottom piece was used for the switch. Mr. Alsobrooks helped to drill a partly deep circle, which we used to screw in the toggle switch. The battery pack and the breadboard were then slid in and secured inside.
For the electrical aspect of this, we have our breadboard and solder and everything. So, our breadboard, as you can see right there. So the battery pack is connected to positive and negative, and the 555 chip is in there, and then there's a diode right there, which allows R1 and R2 to be separately controlled, like the timing. And the way this works, when you flip the switch, this comes on, turns it off, and then the reason it comes back is because we have a limit switch right here, which gives power back when this switch is turned off, so that when this rests back on it, the power is completely cut off. So yeah. That's our useless box. Things that we could have fixed were the arm. Since the arm can't push the box up by itself, we had to elevate this part so that it can actually come up and push up this part. So we could have fixed that by making the wood stronger, or having a stronger piece of wood. Other than that, that's basically it. I mean, we could have countersinked these holes so that the screw would be flush with the wood, but other than that, that's basically it. Now, some problems with the useless box that occurred for the electrical side was that figuring out the right timing for the servo so that it comes forward and it goes back. Other than that, we didn't really have any other problems. Just the resistance factors for the servo. Also figuring out why the diode is needed in the breadboard. And as I explained before, that was because to allow R1 and R2 to be separately, like the timing for both of them to be separately controlled, so we can manipulate R1 R1's timing without affecting R2's timing. So yeah.